Okay, problem 9, section 1. The cost of producing x clock radius is given by c of x equals 0.02 x squared plus 800. In letter A, find the cost of producing 1000 clock radius, which will give you 20,800 in cost. Okay. Letter B, use differentials to estimate the cost of producing the 1001 clock radius. Okay, so you have your equation, and to estimate you have to derivate it one time. And you lower the exponent, which gives you 2 times 0.02 times x, which is 0.04x times the x.
Yeah.
When you derivate, your answer is 0.04 times x times the x. And your dx, the formula to get it is x2 minus x1. So in this case, it will be 1001 minus 1000. So dx equals 1. So your final answer will be 0.04 times 1001 times your dx, which is 1, and will give you 40.04.
In letter C, you need to find the cost of producing 1001 clock radius. For this problem, you only need to plug the 1001 in this equation in the letter x. So you need to put C of 1001 equals 0.02 1001 to the second power plus 800, which will give you 20,840.021. And this is your final answer. Problem B, you need to find the increment when it changes from 1000 to 1001 clock radius, and to know what does this value represent. The increment is the change between the two values, so to get the increment, you need to first plug this number in this formula and subtract it by this number plugged in this formula. So you need to do 0.02 times 1001 squared plus 800 minus 0.02 times 1000 squared plus 800. And the answer that will give you is 40.02, and this is the increment. This value represents the increment between 1000 to 1001.
Letter E is to compare answers from B and D. And in B, we can see that we got 40.04, and on D, we got 40.02. But one is an estimate and the other one is a real one, but both show that there was an increment between 1000 and 1001.
This is problem 8 from section 2. The first thing you need to do is divide each term by 2x cubed and copy the same notation. This number could also be written as x to the 1 over 3. Step is simplify each term by dividing. Now we are going to derive each term using the formula x m plus 1 divided by m plus 1. This is the formula you use except when it is -1. So, in the first term, when 3 goes up, it becomes -1, so this will become ln. In the second term, you have to add 1 to number 2, so you got 3 and divide by 3. In the third term, you have to send the x over n over 3 to the top, so you have this negative. You have to add 1, so it becomes 5 over 3, and you divide by 5 over 3. Okay, so in the last step, you just have to rewrite it.
Sí, ahí sí se mucho. No.
Now you just have to rewrite the answers. This becomes 3 ln absolute value of x plus 5 over 6 x to the 3. And since it divides, it becomes positive and it's 21 over 5 x 5 over 3. Since it's negative and it goes to the bottom, it becomes positive plus c. And this is your final answer.